Yes, my people, don't use agent. You know, this narrative of don't use agent to travel or to apply for visa, that narrative is not right, not right. The only thing people should come and say is that not any time that you need to have an agent to apply for your visa. It is okay. It is okay. You might have that ability to support yourself on visa application, to go through the visa application in a very smooth way. But remember, agents are there who actually have mastered the profession in migration and the travel sector in order to simplify your visa application and also have you travel in a very smooth way. Now, if somebody tells you